So today we've got Sunset Beach behind us, Bonsai Pipeline this way, and we've got this tandem kayak we're gonna take out, just kind of cruise around. Should be a good day. Looks like it's gonna be really fun. It's great weather out right now, so. Go jump in.
So we've been having a great day. Gerald's coming back over now. We're gonna pull out the bodyboard, play around on it for a little bit, maybe try some sledding with it.